Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Opinion Rewards and completing the quick profile prompts. This lets you receive relevant surveys. Once done, enable location and notifications so surveys arrive reliably. Make sure Google Play has a linked payment method and that you can spend Play balance. This is how credits convert into mobile recharge. Begin answering short surveys. Earnings will show as Play credit. Keep the app open occasionally so it can prompt surveys more often. As you accumulate Play credit, monitor the balance in Google Play settings. This is the currency you'll use for recharge. Once you have enough, open the Play Store and locate either your mobile carrier's official top-up app or a trusted recharge app that accepts Play balance. If the carrier supports Play billing, select top-up amount and choose Play balance at payment. If not, buy a Play gift card or use an allowed intermediary app. Confirm compatibility before purchasing. Choose the exact recharge amount or plan and confirm purchase using your Google Play credit. After payment, wait for the carrier confirmation SMS or the app receipt. This usually arrives within minutes. If recharge fails or doesn't reflect, first verify your Play balance and purchase history, then ensure the recharge app has required permissions and your phone number is correct. If still unresolved, contact carrier support and Google Play support with the transaction ID. Keep screenshots and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.